This quick guide will teach you how to port your number from T-Mobile. If you're planning to switch carriers but want to keep your current phone number, you've come to the right place. Porting your number is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what you need to do. First, let's talk about the essentials you'll need to gather from T-Mobile before starting the porting process. You will need 3 key pieces of information: your T-Mobile account number, a transfer PIN, and your account zip code. These details are crucial because they confirm your identity and authorize the release of your number to a new carrier. You can usually find your account number on your T-Mobile bill or by logging into your T-Mobile account online. For the transfer PIN, you might need to contact T-Mobile customer service or use their online portal to generate one. Make sure you have the correct zip code associated with your account handy as well. Once you have these details, the next step is to provide them to your new carrier. This is where the magic happens. Your new carrier will use this information to initiate the number transfer process. It's a good idea to double-check everything to ensure there are no errors that could delay the transfer. Remember, accuracy is key here. If there's a mismatch in the information provided, it could slow down the process significantly. Now, an important tip to remember: do not cancel your T-Mobile service until the porting process is fully completed. This might seem counterintuitive if you're excited to make the switch, but canceling too early can disrupt the transfer and potentially cause you to lose your number. Keeping your T-Mobile service active ensures a seamless transition, allowing your new carrier to finalize the port without any hitches. Once the porting process is complete, your number will be successfully transferred to your new carrier, and you can then proceed to cancel your T-Mobile service if you wish. Remember, the timeline for porting can vary. It might take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the carriers involved. Patience is key, and it's always a good idea to check in with your new carrier if you have any questions or concerns during the process. And that's how you port your number from T-Mobile. With these steps, you can transition smoothly to a new carrier without the hassle of changing your number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and happy porting!